control my anxiety. Listen to the heart go down. Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up? Ladies, can you back it up? Can you back it up? Can you back it up? Back it up? Can you back it up?
Hold that. I got my little ponytail here. It's a pigtail rather than a ponytail. So this ain't even reached pony level. Start off by styling my baby hair. Now, I don't have baby hair, so of course I'm gonna force them. Duh, I mean, like, yeah, I'm 24, but I'm gonna put baby hair on my head like I'm an infant. And as far as my hair is concerned, my hair is natural in the middle. I do relax the perimeter of my head, so that's just the specks on my hair, and right now it's pressed out. Like, what I'm gonna go ahead and use to get my baby hair to lay is Ebony New York's 24-hour hold edge control. I don't like the consistency. I'll leave it open for like a day so that it can like get tacky, and I feel like it holds my hair better when I do that. I'm just taking my edge control and I'm gonna go ahead and force some edges up in here. Okay, so I want very dramatic baby hairs. I guess I should call it finger waves with the way that I do it. So I'm literally pulling the hair down and out and swooping it back. I have them laid how I want them. I'm just gonna take Got to Be Glued clear gel and lock in the edge control clear gel. If you're natural, you can use the Got to Be Glued throughout your ponytail to lock that in as well. I'm not gonna use too much because it does make my hair hard. Since my hair is pressed out and it's pretty much straight, I'm just gonna brush it up. The ponytail of my hair is concerned, so I'm just gonna take it and put a rubber band at the end. So you want to lock this in with hairspray. I'm gonna be doing an infinity ponytail, but I am going to use bobby pins because I want to be able to remove this at night. If you want just a regular infinity ponytail, you can use glue, but I wanted a removable option because you want to make sure that when you're doing this, you hold the ponytail how you want it to lay. So if you wanted it to the side, you would hold it to the side. I'm going to end up wearing mine to the side, so all I'm going to do is hold the track at the very end of my hair where the rubber band is, and I'm going to put the bobby pin downward on my hair. Downward, like that. And I'm going to wrap this track and continue to wrap this track around my entire ponytail, and I'm going to bobby pin it as I go. Now I'm not doing it tight because I know that if I do it tight, the ponytail is gonna get stiff. So I'm loosely picking and pinning this, and I'm making sure that my bobby pins are going straight down so that they don't stick out at the end. Conceal your weft. You're gonna want to take a chunk of the hair and wrap it around whatever weft is still showing. And I like to use Got to Be Glue spray to like hold it on so that it doesn't unravel over time. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and this is what I ended up with. I think it came out really cute. This is a very quick and easy protective style you could do yourself at home. It took me under 25 minutes and it came out bomb. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would you try this Glueless Infinity Ponytail? Comment, share, subscribe if you want to. In the meantime, in between time, you can follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in our next video.